This 2024 Dutchmen Astoria 3313RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, oven, awning, water heater, spare tire kit, skylight, refrigerator, slide-out, TV, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Dutchmen Astoria 3313RL is 8,820 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.